Hi, welcome to the Jem Hawkes YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing. So I have a completely sealed Magical Mystery Bead box for August 2024. Do you want to have a look and see what's in the box? Magical Mystery Bead box for August 2024. Let's take a look inside. It's always so much fun to make that first little line. Let's see what we've got inside. What a gorgeous collection of colours. Wowzers. So, August 2024 is called Stay Golden. Let's have a look and see what we have inside. Bell Bottom Boogie. I mean, this follows on so beautifully from the fabulous festival box that we had just a little while ago. Oh my goodness, look at the size of those. Those are just the most beautiful tassels I've ever seen. Let's take a look at a strand. Oh my gosh. Incredibly detailed. I can see knot beads. That's really exquisite. We've got beautiful faceted glass. Look at that sunshine. It's almost Padparaja colour. Talking of Padparaja, look at these incredible floral details. Gorgeous bead strand there with some gemstones, some infused glass with that gold stone, some gorgeous metallics. Cheerful flower charms, that's always good. That's Crazy Daisy. Now there's a beautiful box of joy. Great name there. Absolutely fantastic. This is a gorgeous, it looks like potentially Praenite. We'll have a look and see what that is. Looks like it might be Praenite. What have we got in here? It's always a joy to get heavy metal clasps. These are fabulous. Always useful. Look at the detail on that piece there. That's glorious. There's more yet to come. Harvest Gold. They're not kidding. They're kind of pumpkin-shaped beads in a beautiful, feisty, bright gold. Loads more in there. I can see spacers. I can see really, really lovely disc beads in there. Do you know what? I asked Sarah if we could get more of these and she has absolutely delivered. Thank you, Team JJB. Look at those beautiful groovy blooms. Last out of the box but not least, Saturday Night Fever. What a fabulous chain. Looks like an infinity design. Let me open that up and we'll have the look before I love you and leave you today. How gorgeous is that? I just want to wear that as a headband. Beautiful, beautiful box. Thank you so much, Jessie James Beads. We've got Stay Golden bead strand, Merry Mushrooms stone bead strand, Bell Bottom Boogie, Harvest Gold. I'm not saying that one. Do the Hustle, Groovy Blooms flower head pins. Can You Dig It pendant? That's gorgeous. And Saturday Night Fever chain. That has got to rank right up there as one of my favourite chains of all time. Cannot wait to work with this box.